Hi there! In this video, I will be sharing some of the best tips and tricks for marketing strategy that can help you achieve your business goals. Firstly, it's important to have a clear understanding of your target audience. This means researching demographics, psychographics, and even their online behavior. By doing this, you can create messaging that resonates with your audience and increases your chances of success. Another crucial aspect of a successful marketing strategy is to create a content calendar. This calendar will help you plan out your content in advance and ensure that you are consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. In addition to content, social media is a powerful tool for marketing. By creating a strong social media presence, you can build relationships with your audience, share your content, and even engage with potential customers. It's important to create a strategy for your social media presence that is tailored to your specific audience and aligned with your overall marketing goals. Email marketing is also a powerful tool that can help you reach your audience and build relationships. By creating targeted email campaigns, you can keep your audience engaged and informed about your brand. Finally, it's important to regularly measure and evaluate your marketing strategy. This will help you identify any areas where you need to make changes or improvements and ensure that you are staying on track with your business goals. In conclusion, a successful marketing strategy requires a clear understanding of your target audience, a content calendar, a strong social media presence, targeted email campaigns, and regular measurement and evaluation. By following these tips and tricks, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your business goals. Once again, this is Jepski TV, and if you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.